Do a box mockup easily. First, import the image as background. Then import your preferred logo. Reduce logo size and position it where you want to mock it up. Then tap the zoom icon at the top and zoom in. Then tap on the perspective tool. Align all four corners of the logo to the box's four corners. Zooming is advisable for perfect positioning. Then enable perspective and zoom out. That's it. Save your image. Results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.